I have to talk about this sleet socket. So this was actually sent to me to try out, and honestly, if you have kids or you have pets or anything, you just want to have your room and place look neat, this is for you. So this is actually a cover to go on top of your sockets, but it has this nice flat cover so that you're not actually seeing the outlets. And then it has a cord, so there are so many different options. This one is the 2 socket, and then you have 2 3-foot cords, and then this cord is just going to neatly go around the bottom of your baseboards, and then you still have the outlets. So you still have 3, so now you're getting an additional 6 instead of the 2 that you originally had, but it's making your room look so much better. It also comes with these clips. So this is just like a white clip. The cord is going to fit inside of here, and then this is going to stick on the wall, and then you have some smaller ones where you could still stick on your wall. It's going to clip onto the cords, and it's just going to make that area look so much neater. So I'm quickly going to show you what that looks like. So instead of having all of these cords all over, this sleet socket is going to cover these 2 outlets and basically give you a nice cleaner wall. So as you can see, it's blocking, and now you have 2 3-foot cords, and of course you have the outlets at the bottom, but with the little cover right here, as you can see, you can just stick this right at the bottom, and it's becoming a nice clean line of cords, and you can continue using those straight across just to kind of hide the outlets and the cords, and making your entire place look so much cleaner and more organized. So I love the fact that instead of having 2, you do get that extension. So now this one has 2 3-foot together with 6 outlets instead of the 2 outlets that you're having. And this also protects if you have kids or dogs that obviously love to touch these outlets. This is a nice protection for that.